Freestyle means that in competitions, no technical style is prescribed. Any technique apart from the other three strokes may be used. It was soon established, however, that the crawl was faster than all other techniques. For inhaling, the head is slightly turned to one side without lifting, and just enough so that the mouth is above the water surface. Next, air is evenly exhaled through mouth and nose underwater. Generally, a 3-beat rhythm is used for inhaling, that is, once during every third pull. During all phases of the movement cycle, the body maintains a stretched, high, and nearly horizontal position. The shoulder girdle rotates continuously around the longitudinal axis of the body and always towards the side of the pulling arm. The head stays in a natural, relaxed position, looking downward and in forward direction. The kick is triggered by the hip joint like the flick of a whip, is then extended via the knee joint, and ends in the points of the feet. During the downward kick, the ankle joint is overstretched by the water pressure and the foot is turned slightly inwards. The resulting whip-like leg movement ensures that the kick movement is not only from the knee joint downwards. The hand gently enters the water at shoulder width, is stretched out forward as far as possible, and starts immediately to displace water. During the pull phase, the elbow is moved forward to achieve optimum push-off from the water. The aim is to anchor the hand and forearm in the water and heave the body forward over the arm. The finishing sweep is carried out with acceleration until the hand emerges from the water. The arm is loosely moved, bent, or stretched across the water in forward direction. Generally, a 6-beat kick is used, that is, 6 kicks for one pull cycle. This rhythm, combined with the high pull frequency and maximum pull length, is decisive for reaching a high swimming speed. Summary of the 3 key points for the freestyle. Good rhythm, similar to a kayak movement. No passive gliding phase at the front. Immediate water displacement and anchoring of hand and forearm with high elbow during the pull phase. Arms are swung forward in a relaxed manner. For all racing dives from the block, two initial position options exist. In case of the grab start, the swimmer stands on the start block with slightly bent legs with the toes gripping the edge of the block. The other starting option is the so-called track start, during which the stronger leg rests slightly further back on the toes. The fingers grip the front edge of the start block, the weight is displaced forward onto the balls of the feet, and the head is slightly retracted. Upon diving, the swimmer pushes off to the front while the arms swing forward. The pelvis is first lowered, then moved forward with the knees bending even further. As soon as the lower legs have reached the horizontal position, the legs push off explosion-like to the front. During the flight phase, the body lies horizontally in the air with the hands already aiming towards the point of entry. In a stretched-out body position, arms, trunk, and legs enter the water at a gentle angle and at the same point during immersion without causing excessive splashing. After immersion, head and arms steer the body into the horizontal position in order to avoid diving too deep. The whole body now takes on a stretched, low-resistance posture. During the underwater phase, speed is maintained with short, fast butterfly kicks. With the first pull, the butterfly changes to the freestyle stroke and the upper body emerges from the water. The swimmer swims towards the wall at full speed. After the second to last pull, the hand remains on the hips, whilst during the last pull, the head is pulled in and the chin is placed on the chest. This is followed by a very quick turn. During the turn, the legs are drawn up and the feet are placed against the wall after a quarter rotation. The swimmer is now on his or her side and pushes off explosively in swimming direction. During the underwater phase, it is vital to keep arms and upper body straight and stretched. With the first pull, the butterfly changes to the freestyle stroke and the upper body emerges from the water.